demonstrate the two kinds of separating mixtures, the filtration and the evaporation. First is the filtration method. We are going to separate a mixture of tea leaves and water by filtration. First, mix the tea leaves and the water in a clear glass. Stir it well. We observe that the color of the mixture turns green. Now, take the filter paper and place it inside the funnel. Pour the mixture slowly into the funnel. We observe that the water is getting collected from the other glass placed below the funnel, and the tea leaves is in the filter paper. The substance that remains in the filter paper is called residue. The clear liquid or the substance that is collected after filtration is called filtrate. This method of separating insoluble impurities or substance from the liquid is called filtration. Demonstrate how to separate salt solution by the process of evaporation. We have a glass of water and we are going to mix the sponge salt into it. Stir it till the salt fully dissolves. And now we are going to pour this salt solution and boil it till it evaporates. As you can see, the water has evaporated, leaving the salt behind. Now, the water has fully evaporated, leaving behind the salt. So, in this activity, we can see how to separate of salt from the salt solution by the process of evaporation.